This engine oil cooler and filter housing assembly stands out with its upgraded aluminum cap and body, which resist warping and help prevent annoying oil leaks over time. The integrated oil cooler is designed to bring oil temperatures down quickly, supporting stable oil pressure and smoother lubrication for better long-term engine protection. Fitment coverage is broad for many small General Motors models, including certain Chevrolet Cruze, Sonic, Aveo, Malibu Hybrid, Buick Cascada, Pontiac G3, and Saturn Astra engines, making it a practical choice for owners and mechanics alike. Because it is built to original equipment dimensions and connections, installation is typically straightforward and does not require custom modifications or special tools beyond standard hand tools. The included sealing components and gaskets are thoughtfully matched to the housing, which helps ensure a tight seal and reduces the chance of chasing leaks after installation. Overall build quality feels solid for a replacement part in this category, giving confidence that it can handle daily driving demands and extended highway use without premature failure.